Professional English vocabulary. Common printing methods and key equipment. Hello everyone. As designers, understanding how our work gets produced is absolutely essential. It's not just about what you create on screen, it's about how it comes to life in the physical world. Let's start with a key concept. A printing method is the specific process used to reproduce text and images on a surface, like paper, fabric, or plastic. The method you choose isn't just a technical detail, it's a creative choice. Each method has a unique set of tools, materials, and processes that define the final look and feel of the print. Let's look at some of the most common methods. Offset printing. Digital printing. Silkscreen printing, serigraphy, or screen printing. Flexography. Rotogravure, or gravure. Letterpress. Pad printing. Dye sublimation printing. Offset printing. It prints high-quality images with excellent color consistency. The initial setup cost is high, but it's incredibly efficient once it's set up. The cost per print drops dramatically the more you produce. This makes it an ideal choice for large-scale projects like books, magazines, and brochures. In this printing technique, an image is transferred from a metal plate to a rubber blanket and then offset onto the printing surface. Key equipment. Plates. Printing press. Rubber blankets. Dampening system. Ink rollers. Paper feeder. Digital printing. Very fast and cost-effective for small quantities. It allows for personalized materials and prototypes. However, it has a higher cost per print than offset on large runs. Colors may be less vibrant too. Digital printers print directly from a digital file using toner or liquid ink. No plates are needed. Key equipment. Laser printer, inkjet printer, or wide-format digital press. Ink or toner cartridges. Computer with design software. Silkscreen printing, serigraphy, or screen printing. It produces thick, vibrant, and durable layers of ink, making it an excellent choice for bold, graphic designs. However, it is not ideal for fine detail or color gradients. It's often used for printing artwork on t-shirts, posters, tote bags, and textured art prints because it works on almost any material, including wood, glass, and textiles. Ink is pushed through a fine mesh screen, the stencil, onto the substrate. Each color requires a separate screen, so it is time-consuming for multicolor designs. Key equipment. Screen, a frame with mesh. Squeegee and inks. Exposure unit, for creating stencils. Curing and drying equipment. Flexography. It is extremely fast and efficient for large-scale packaging. It works on non-absorbent flexible materials like plastic film and metallic foils. Flexography has a lower resolution than offset printing. It is less suitable for reproducing high-fidelity images with fine details or subtle color gradients. Flexography uses a flexible relief plate, made of rubber or polymer, to transfer ink onto a surface. Key equipment. Flexo presses. Rubber or photopolymer plates. Analox rollers. Ink supply system. Doctor blades. Rotogravure. It has the highest image quality in printing, with continuous tones and consistent color. It has a very expensive initial cost. This is why it is only used for mass production. For example, long-run fashion magazines and catalogs, high-quality packaging, and wallpapers. It uses a metal cylinder with tiny engraved cells to hold and transfer ink. The deeper the cell, the darker the print. Key equipment: engraved metal cylinders, gravure presses, ink supply system, doctor blades, letterpress. It's one of the oldest forms of printing, invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the mid-15th century. It is slow and has a high initial setup cost. It creates a distinctive, crisp, tactile impression in the paper. It's the opposite of mass production. It's about making a single beautiful object. Nowadays, it is used for luxury stationery, invitations, business cards, and art prints. It's a relief printing technique. A raised surface is inked and pressed directly onto the paper, leaving a debossed impression. Key equipment: the form or plate, it carries the text or image. The chase, a metal frame holding the plate. Ink and ink roller. Printing press. Pad printing. It's a small-scale but incredibly precise technique. It can print on almost any substrate. It is excellent for small designs on irregular or three-dimensional surfaces. For example, promotional products, electronics, and medical devices. A silicone pad picks up ink from a metal-etched plate and transfers it to an object. The silicone pad, highly flexible, conforms to the shape of the object. Key equipment: etched metal plates, silicone pads, pad printing machine, inks. Dye sublimation printing. It produces highly durable prints with vibrant, full-color images that won't fade or crack. It is for use on synthetic materials, such as polyester, or on specially coated surfaces only. In this printing technique, special heat-sensitive ink turns into a gas and is infused into a substrate. The ink literally becomes part of the material, which is why it's so incredibly durable and the colors are so vivid. Key equipment: special digital printer, sublimation inks, transfer paper, heat press, synthetic substrates that can absorb gaseous ink. We've covered a wide range of printing methods today. As designers and artists, our job is to bring ideas to life, and the printing process is a vital part of that. The method you choose has a huge impact on your final product's look and feel. Remember that each printing method is a creative tool. Your choice helps shape how people experience your work. Stay safe, stay creative,